Yun ang po
Kamusta
talaga.
ba love life mo, Mi?
Ako, I'm really happy. Happy lang ako. I'm super steady lang. Go with, as in flow lang ako na no any inhibitions na kailangan kong lagyan pa ng wall kasi very supportive when it comes to work.
So meron kang girlfriend?
Yes po, yes.
Non-show.
Yes, non-showbiz.
Matagal na kayo?
Yes, matagal na po kami. But I'd rather really not talk about. It's not a secret, but it's private. Yes.
Yun lang, naintindihan niya yung kind of work that you do.
Yes.
Tapos pinapaliwanag, you make sure
Yes,
that...
super malaking bagay po yung assurance and to talk about things kapag may mga projects ako nagagawin, may mga specific scenes, ganyan. Pero if once naman na she says no, and then ako ko lang talaga kailangan mag-explain at magpaliwanag na no, it's just my job. Walang kailangan. Tsaka assurance lang when it comes to set, ganyan. Updates, malaking bagay updates and to kamusta kahit busy ka sa trabaho, give time pa rin. Yes.